Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make iPhone test larger. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on display and brightness. Then here, you see your test size. Click on that. Then you can just use this option to increase your test size. This is the maximum. Larger sizes are available in accessibility settings. So you can also come back to your accessibility page. Then locate and click on display and test size. Now, if you want to use larger test, click on larger test. Then you can now come here and increase larger test. Then if you go back, you see that your iPhone tests are now increased. So that is exactly how you can use or turn on larger test on iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.